But this stuff here is illegal where I come from. You can't bring this into Canada. And I'm just so super curious. I've never actually had cocaine before. So I'm going to try a cup of this and see what happens. See if I actually get buzzed. Because I've never been high before. No, my correction. I've been high, but only during hospital stays for my knee surgery when they had me on morphine. And I swear at that time, every nurse looked super hot to me. But anyways, let's see what this stuff is like.
I don't feel anything. But hey, try it out. It's free, but only in Cusco, okay? Don't try to bring some of this cocoa leaf tea back home with you because the sniffer dogs will find it and you'll get in trouble. But when in Cusco,